Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have discussed the summary of weathering the storm in Erasmus. Today, we will take line by line explanation of this story. On 27th October 1999, 7 years after his mother's death, Prashant had gone to the block headquarters of Erasmus. As I told you, Prashant is the main character of this story. 27 It was the day 27th October 1999. A small town in coastal Orissa came 18 kilometers from his village. Prashant went to his friend's house in Erasmus on 27th October 1999, and it was 7 years after his mother's death. In the evening, a dark and menacing storm quickly gathered. Winds beat against the houses with a speed and fury that Prashant had never witnessed before. And now, winds beat against the houses. Strong winds started to blow and the houses with a speed and fury that Prashant had never witnessed. Prashant had never seen it earlier. Heavy and incessant continuously. Rain filled the darkness. Ancient trees were uprooted and crashed to the earth. As students, when the storm came, the trees uprooted and crashed to the ground. So same was the situation. Screams means shrill cries rent the air as people and houses were swiftly washed away. And rent means here means tore apart the air. People, houses were swiftly washed away. The angry water swelled into his friend's house neck deep. The building was of brick and mortar and was strong enough to survive the devastation of wind's velocity of 350 km per hour. Can you imagine, students? The speed of the wind is 350 km per hour, and now everything was destroyed. But the cold terror of the family grew with the crashing of trees that had got uprooted and fallen on their house sometime in the middle of the night, damaging its roofs and walls. Heavy and continuous rain filled the darkness. Trees were uprooted. The waters entered his friend's house. The speed of the wind was 350 km per hour. Everything was destroyed. The crazed destruction wrought by the cyclone and the surge of the ocean continued for the next 36 hours. It continued for 36 hours, although wind speed had reduced somewhat by next morning, but by the next morning, the speed of the wind also reduced. To escape the waters rising in the house, Prashant and his family had taken refuge. Refuge means shelter on the roof. They have taken shelter on the roof. Prashant will never forget the shock he experienced at his first glimpse of the devastation wrought by the super cyclone in the grey light of the early morning. Prashant could not forget. Rout means brought about such movement. He could not forget that destruction wrought by the super cyclone in the grey light of the early morning. Although it was early morning time, a raging, deadly brown sheet of water covered everything as far as the eye could see. Everywhere where he can see, he saw the brown sheet of water. Only fractured cement houses still stood in a few places. Bloated animals' carcasses, dead bodies, and human corpses, dead bodies floated in every direction. A lot of destruction was there. Animals and human beings were died. All round, even huge old trees had fallen. 2 coconut trees had fallen on the roof of their house. This was a blessing in disguise because the tender coconut from the trees kept the trapped family from starving in the several days and followed. For the next 2 days, Prashant sat huddled Huddled means sat closely with his friend's family in the open on the rooftop. They froze in the cold because it was the month of October. They froze in the cold and incessant, continuous. The rain was continuously. So the rain water washed away Prashant's tears. The only thought that flashed through his mind was whether his family had survived the fury of the super cyclone. Was he to be bereaved once again? And he was thinking about his family because he was in his friend's house. So he was thinking about his family and he was bereaved. Bereaved means having lost somebody, especially a relative or close friend, on account of his death. 2 days later, which seemed to Prashant like 2 years. After 2 days, it seemed as if these are 2 years. The rain ceased. Ceased means stop, and the rain water slowly began to recede. और रेन वाटर भी धीरे धीरे recede, decrease. Prashant was determined to seek out his family without further delay, but the situation was still dangerous, and his friend's family pleaded, requested with Prashant to stay back a little longer because the condition was not good. He equipped himself with a long sturdy stick and then started on his 18-kilometer expedition back to his village through the Sudan. Now he started his journey to return to his village. It was a journey he would never forget. He constantly had to use his stick to locate the road where the water was most shallow. As you can see in the picture, with the help of the stick, he continued his journey. At places it was waist deep and progress was slow. At several points he lost the road and had to swim. After some distance he was relieved to find two friends of his uncle who were also returning to they decided to move him away. And now on the way he was able to meet two friends of his uncle, and with them he continued his journey. So students, I think you are able to understand this story. Thank you.